Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying list and this is the third video. In this video we will see how to find out the length of the list using built-in length function and how to find whether the element is a part of the list or not using in membership operator. We will also see the application of a length function while using loops. Let's start. List length. You have list L10 which is containing 3 elements: Python, Python 3, Python programming. We create the list, run. If you want to find out length of the list L10, precede the list L10 by built-in length function. It will output the length of the list. In this case, list contains 3 elements, therefore length of L10 is 3. While you are using loops, you use length function to find out the index of the last, to use it as the index of the last element. For example, if you are using while loop, you require one indexing variable. I am using indexing variable I is equal to 0, and you give one condition while I less than. Here you use length function in front of the list to find out the length of the list and use it as a last index. Here I will run from 0 less than length minus 1 means till the last element of the list. If list contains 3, then it will run till I less than 2, means throughout the complete list. While traversing this complete list, we will do processing. Here colon, and here you can give processing part. Either you can use the element of the list to perform operation, or you can append new element to the list, or you can perform any processing to the list. Here in this case, for processing example, I am printing the element of the list L10 in accessing each index using the index variable I. And if it is a loop, it has while loop, it has initialization, it has condition check, then it has a either increment or a decrement. In this case, we have to increment the value. I am using shorthand notation I plus is equal to 1. When you come out of this while loop and run this cell, it will traverse each and every element of the list, and inside the for loop it will print it. Therefore output will be Python, Python 3, Python programming. Click on the cell, run the cell. You see at the output Python, Python 3, Python programming. Second, list membership. If you want to find out whether an element is a member of a given list or not, then you can use in operator. In is a boolean operator that tests whether a particular element is a member of a sequence or not. For example, you have a list L11 containing 1, 2, 3, 4, and you want to see whether 3 is a element of L11 list or not. You will check 3 in L11, then it will return a boolean value, either true or false. If 3 is present inside the list, then it will print true, otherwise it will print false. It returns a value. You can store it in a variable and then print the value of variable. For example, in second example, we check whether 5 in L11 or not. It returns a value false. That false value was stored in var, and then var was printed. If var is printed, value is false because 5 is not present in L11. That's it about today's list length and list membership. We use length function to find out the length of the list, and we use in operator to find out whether external entity is an element of the list or member of the list or not.